Savvies? Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Jisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes, another reaction video. So if you guys into this video, guys, to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, so you guys get notified every time when I post a video. Because I post 3 times a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, Saturday at 3 p.m. Yada yada yada. Yes. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the Savvies Cruise. Yes, welcome to the Savvies Cruise. And yeah, so today I'm gonna do a reaction video to. I'm gonna react to it on this phone here, my mom phone. I'm reacting to it on her phone, and I'm making the video on my phone. So yeah. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Today's video is gonna be me reacting to Angelina Jordan, and it's I Put a Spell on You, baby. I put a spell on you. Yeah. So you know how I do. I count from 1 to 3 and then I start reacting. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, so I'm fixing up my phone. And I'm gonna put the video over here. Y'all know already. Over here. Yeah. So it's ads. Going to ads. So yeah. After 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
Because you're mine. Stop the things you do. I ain't lying. Because I'm yours right now.
Oh wow, yeah, like what's her name again? Angelina Jordan. She has such a big name for a little body, ain't gonna lie. She's about how old she is. She looks like she's about 11, 12 years, like 10, 11 years old. And she has such a gigantic voice. Like, her voice is just so wow. Like, imagine her growing up into a adult, a young lady. And, girl, give me the voice! Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know, but she sings, the way how she sings, it's like everything is coming from her toe all the way up. It's like all the music is going through her body. Like, trust me, this is like wow. Like, I was gonna watch it on one of my friends' YouTube channel, and then I'm like, nope, ease back. You gotta watch it. You gotta see it for the first time. And now I did the video, and my reaction was, that's all you get. And like, I put a spell on you. She sounded like she put a spell on me, because trust me, this song is like really good. Like, oh my gosh, she's just so powerful, you know. Oh my god, like wow, almost teary because she has such a beautiful voice. Oh my gosh, she's just so good. Like, oh my god, that's good. So if you enjoy this powerful song, if you feel like Angelina Jordan put a spell on you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a huge thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so guys get notified every time when I post another video. Yeah, because I post 3 times a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday at 3 p.m. Yeah, and comment below what what verse do you like in her song, because I love what she sing, because yeah, this is like really good. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.